National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Ellis County in north-central Texas, western Navarro County in north-central Texas, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Navarro Mills Lake, or 18 miles west of Corsicana, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Blooming Grove around 6:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Freston, Emhouse, Howard, Dresden, Avalon, Pelham, Frost, Navarro Mills, and Rice. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 391 and 392. Interstate 45 between mile markers 244 and 245. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Ellis County in north-central Texas until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bardwell, or 11 miles southwest of Ennis, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Trained spotters reported golf ball-sized hail just west of Blooming Grove as the storm crossed Highway 22. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bardwell and Bardwell Lake around 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Ennis around 7:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Palmer around 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Rieger Springs, Crisp, Ike, Howard, Toledo, Garrett, Avalon, Boise, Rocket, and Bristol. This includes Interstate 45 between mile markers 245 and 261. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This storm has a history of producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Rockwall County in north-central Texas, northwestern Kaufman County in north-central Texas, eastern Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Combine, or near Seagoville, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Garland, Mesquite, Rowlett, Rockwall, Bulk Springs, Seagoville, Forney, Hutchins, Heath, Sunnyvale, Wilmer, Crandall, Ferris, Combine, Talty, McClendon Chisholm, Heartland, Lake Ray Hubbard, and Sand Branch. This includes the following highways: Interstate 20 between mile markers 475 and 492. Interstate 30 between mile markers 56 and 67. Interstate 45 between mile markers 267 and 272. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued new severe thunderstorm warnings for Rockwall County northwestern Kaufman County, southeastern Collin County, and northeastern Dallas County until 8:45. A severe thunderstorm complex is located over Sunnyvale, also near Rowlett, moving north by northeast at 45 miles per hour. Spotters have confirmed ping-pong ball-sized hail near downtown Mesquite. This storm may contain hail of that size or larger and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning issued for Rockwall County, northwestern Kaufman, southeastern Collin, and northeastern Dallas counties until 8:45. Severe thunderstorm located over Sunnyvale and near Rowlett, moving north at 45 miles per hour with potential 1.5-inch hail. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued new severe thunderstorm warnings for southwestern Denton County and northeastern Tarrant County until 9:15. A severe thunderstorm is located over Hurst, moving north at about 35 miles per hour. The storm we picked up earlier at Mansfield moved across Arlington, Lake Arlington, and has now become severe in northeastern Tarrant County. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Denton County and northeastern Tarrant County until 9:15. This storm may contain 1.5-inch hail and 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Denton County in north central Texas until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Trophy Club, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Denton, Louisville, Flower Mound, Grapevine, Southlake, Corinth, Highland Village, Trophy Club, Lake Dallas, Roanoke, Crum, Argyle, Hickory Creek, Double Oak, Shady Shores, Northlake, Crossroads, Bartonville, Copper Canyon, and Corral City. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 468 and 470. Interstate 35W between mile markers 72 and 85. Interstate 35E between mile markers 454 and 466. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wise County in north central Texas, southwestern Denton County in north central Texas, northern Tarrant County in north central Texas until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Aslett, or near Keller, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Denton, Flower Mound, Keller, Hurst, Southlake, Watauga, Colleyville, Corinth, Saginaw, Trophy Club, Eagle Mountain, North Richland Hills, Roanoke, Pecan Acres, Argyle, Justin, Double Oak, Northlake, and Rome. This includes Interstate 35W between mile marker 61 and 81. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.